Good morning. This is Rinki Mulchandani from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Management Studies and Research, Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. Today we are going to see the topic heading element in HTML. So the learning objectives are to explain and demonstrate the heading element in HTML. Heading is one of the important section or we can say important element of any HTML document. Whenever you want to start with any document, there must be some heading, some caption which is to be placed in the web document. And in fact, it is a very good practice to give heading in any document or in any web page. So what does the heading element does in HTML document, or what is the role of such heading element in the HTML document? So heading element specify the selected text as heading in HTML document. जब कभी भी आपको heading देनी है आपके HTML document में, आप heading element का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हमारे पास 6 लेवल्स ऑफ हेडिंग है. जैसे हम उन हेडिंग एलिमेंट को यूज़ करते हैं 6 लेवल्स को, हमको ये देखने को मिलता है कि फॉन्ट का स्टाइल हमारा चेंज हो जाता है, पैराग्राफ ब्रेक्स हो जाते हैं आफ्टर द हेडिंग. दैट मीन्स ऑल द लाइन ब्रेक्स आर ऑल फॉर्मेटेड ऑटोमेटिकली. यू नीड नॉट टू गिव एनी सेपरेट लाइन ब्रेक टैग व्हेन यू मेक यूज़ ऑफ हेडिंग. So the heading element uses container tags ranging from h1 to h6. Now when I say container tag, it means it is a paired tag, and when I say paired tag, it means some content is to be kept in between the start of the tag and the end of the tag. So h1 is the first level of heading and h6 is the lowest level of heading. So as the number next to h increases, the font size decreases. Now this means that जो h1 की heading है that is having the highest font size, और जैसे ही आप उसके लेवल बढ़ाते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे उसका फॉन्ट साइज़ कम होता जाएगा. तो H1 का फॉन्ट साइज़ ज़्यादा रहेगा, H2 का थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा, फिर H3 का और कम हो जाएगा, H4 का और कम हो जाएगा, एंड सबसे लास्ट हेडिंग दैट विल बी H6, उसका फॉन्ट साइज़ सभी से ही कम होगा. अगर हम एक एग्जाम्पल देखें तो हम बॉडी टैग के अंदर ये हेडिंग एलिमेंट स्पेसिफाई करने वाले हैं. तो ये एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू हमें क्या समझने को मिल रहा है. जो मैंने लिखा है फर्स्ट लेवल हेडिंग एज अ कंटेंट इन बिटवीन H1, इसका फॉन्ट साइज बड़ा रहेगा एज कम्पेयर टू लास्ट हेडिंग. एंड जो नॉर्मल हेडिंग रहती है दैट इज H3. सो बाय डिफॉल्ट द नॉर्मल हेडिंग दैट इज टू बी प्लेस इज द H3, वेयर एज द हाइएस्ट फॉन्ट साइज हेडिंग stands as H1, whereas the last heading is known as the H6 level. Now what we can see that whenever we place the heading tag, we can see that the font changes, as well as we can see that the first heading is placed at the first place, whereas second heading is to be placed below the first heading. So how to see it practically? Let me share one new screen with you. So let me see one new screen with you. I'm sharing a new screen with you. So I'll be doing it practically, and in that practical, we'll be seeing how to make use of this heading tag. So what we can do here is we have to write here the same program what we have written there. So the first tag is the HTML and second one is the head tag. Now under the head tag, I want to place one title, and let me write the title name as program using heading element. So in this way, we will be writing the program. So as this is the first program which is to be done in a practical way in Notepad editor, so I'll be making use of the heading element. So now the second section is the body section. Now under body tag, I need to place all the heading. So the first heading, let me write it as DAIMSR H1 closing. Now in HTML, it is not mandatory that you have to follow the case sensitive rules. For example, if you are writing this H1 in capital and this ending tag H1 in a small case, then also the HTML will work for you, as I have already mentioned in advantages. Now second one, that is the H2. So again, we make use of DIMSR H2. Now what you will see that all the headings are different in nature in the way with respect to their font. So we will see that the font size and the font style, we can see that it changes accordingly as per the level of the heading. So as the number to H increases, the font decreases. That is what the mandatory rule point which you have to make clear in yours this particular topic. So the now last level of heading is DIMSR hash H6. So here we have completed all the levels of heading, and now I'm going to close the body tag, and thereafter I'm going to close the HTML tag. Now what I have to do is that I will save this file with HTML extension. So I'll save this file with HTML extension. So I'm writing here heading.html, because all the HTML files which are to be shown in any browser must contain the HTML as an extension. So now I'll save it at one place, that is the in desktop. I'm having one folder that is Rinky recording. In this I'm saving it, that is heading.html. Now what I have to do is, in order to see that page, I have to go back to that particular folder in the desktop, that is Rinky recording. Now here we can see that there is one file. Now this file is to be opened with any of the browser. You may open it with Google Chrome, you may open it with Mozilla, etc. Now I'm increasing the zoom size. What we can see is that the first heading, now the font size is very big, whereas the last heading font size is very small. So what we can see that, and what I have mentioned to you is that जैसे जैसे H का लेवल बढ़ता जाएगा, हेडिंग का लेवल बढ़ता जाएगा, वैसे वैसे फॉन्ट का साइज आप देख रहे हैं कम होता जा रहा है. और जो बाय डिफॉल्ट स्टैंडर्ड साइज फॉन्ट है, दैट इज H3. Okay, now we can say that this is the font size greater than this the last heading. So this is how it will show you. Now coming to again the attribute of the heading element. Now what attribute you can place to the heading element? Suppose if you want to change the alignment of the first heading to the right hand side. If you want to place the first content, that is DIMSR, on the right hand side, we will make use of align attribute. Whenever we are writing any attribute along with tag, how we have to write? So let us see this. First of all, write the tag name. The tag name is H1. Then you have to mention the attribute name. The attribute name is align. Now equals to value. So what is the syntax? Syntax is the tag का नाम लिखना है, एट्रीब्यूट का नाम लिखना है, इक्वल्स टू वो वैल्यू क्या रहेगी एट्रीब्यूट की वो लिखना है. ओके, सो टैग नेम इज H1, एट्रीब्यूट का नाम है अलाइन, एंड वैल्यू क्या है राइट. नाउ अगेन इफ आई विल सेव ऑन इट एंड आई विल गो बैक टू गूगल क्रोम, व्हाट आई नीड टू डू इज, ये जो URL आप देख रहे हैं इसको सिर्फ मुझे रिफ्रेश करना है, या तो यूज करके F5 की फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड, और मुझे इसको सिलेक्ट करके एंटर की प्रेस करना है, तो वो रिफ्रेश हो जाएगा. अब आप देख रहे हैं कि जो हेडिंग है दैट इज टू बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड रादर देन ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, बट बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑल द headings have the alignment as the left hand side. So this is all about the heading element from this side. So what we have seen that in HTML, if we want to make use of heading element, we can make use of this heading element as per the levels of heading ranging from H1 to H6. And the important mandatory note point is that as the level of H increases, the font size decreases. This is what the thumb rule of this particular example. So thank you.